Welcome to mathematics. Today we want to look at fractional equations. So there are various methods that we can use to solve fractional equations. I saw most of you were struggling. I brought that deliberately because I wanted to find out something from you. So now, uh, tip number one, you can solve fractional equations or fractions involving equations by multiplying both sides by the denominator that you see or given. Method 2, we can find this by finding the inverse and multiply on both sides or we multiply terms or values on both sides by the inverse, which is called the reciprocal. Then method 3, you can solve this by cross multiplication. So I'll show you all the three methods, so pay particular attention. So example, solve 2 over 3x is equal to 10. So what this means is that this x should be next to, so it's the same as 2x over 3 equals 10. So this is how you write. The next thing, we are going to use method 1, multiply both sides by the denominator. What is the denominator here? Is 3. The denominator here is 1, so we get 3 since 1 can go into 3. So we're going to use to multiply both sides. Okay, so it will be 2x over 3 times 3 is equal to 10 times 3. So here is the same as there is 1 there. Okay, there is also 1, there is also 1. So this and this cancels 1. Okay, 1 into 2 is 2. 1 times 1, 1. 1 into 2, 2. 1 times 2x is 2x. So here we have 2x is equal to 10 times 3, that is 30. So when you reach this far, you have to eliminate 2 or the number, the constant, you remain with the letter. So what do? You divide, okay, both sides by the number so that it's removed. So this implies that 2 into 2 is 1. 1 times x is x. So there and there. So x is equal to 2 into 3, 1. Remainder 1. 2 into 10, that is 5. So this is the final answer. We come to this one. So what do? Despite this being a fractional equation, there is a additive. Okay, they have put plus. So we have to eliminate plus or minus before we deal with the fractional equation. So in this case, what's the opposite of this? It's negative 4. So it's 5x over 8, okay, plus 4 minus 4 equals 14 minus 4. So I'm subtracting, okay, minus 4 minus 4. So this is 0. So I'll just write 5x over 8 is equal to 14 minus 4, that is 10. So here we have now something similar to this. So we can use the denominator here. Here there is 1. The denominator here to multiply both sides. So 5x over 8 times 8. We are doing this so that we eliminate, okay, 8 here. We remain with the subject x is equal to 10 times 8. So here is 1, there is 1, here is 1. So 8 there, 1. 1 times 1, 1. 1 into 5, 5. 5 times 1 here, 5x. So we have 5x is equal to, so in this case we have 8. So over 5 over 5. So in this case x is equal to, so how many times can this go into 8? So there we have 1, remainder 3, into 5 into 30, that is 6. Okay, so this is the answer. Then we look at this one. We have a fraction, okay, not a number. So similarly, what we do is we have to remove this, okay, we have to remove this. So for us to remove this, we have to consider the denominator. Here there is 5, here there is 3. So what do? You multiply 3 times 5, that is 15. So the lowest common multiple where these two numbers can go is 15, which is coming from 3 times 5, 15. So we will say 1 over 3 times 15, so plus, okay, 2x times 15, then equals, here remember it's a fraction, there is 1 there, so throughout, so this is 2 over 5 times 15. So what we do, okay, 3 there 1, 3 there 5, so we have 5 plus 2 times 15, that is 30, 30x is equal to 5 there 1, 5 there, that is 3, so 3, that is 2 times 3. So here we have 5 plus 3, 30x is equal to 6. Okay, so this, when this goes that side, okay, it will be minus, so it's 30x is equal to 6 minus 5. So in this case we have 30x is equal to 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 6 minus 5, that is 1. So here we have to remove 30 from here, we remain with x, so we divide by 30, we divide by 30. So in this case x is equal to 1 over 30. This is the final answer. You can't do anything here because the numerator is 1. So others don't write this x is equal to 1 over 30 is equal to 30. This is not true. Okay, so you just leave it the way it is. So this is the answer, 1 over 30. This can be 30 if it was 30 over 1. This is 30. This is true. So I show you briefly other methods that I was talking about, where I said you can cross multiply. Method 2, you cross multiply. So this is 2. This is 2x over 3 is equal to 10. So here you put 1, then you cross multiply. So 2x times 1 is 2x, okay, is equal to 3 times 10, which is 3 times 10. So 2x is equal to 30. So the next thing, over 2. So there, this is x is equal to 30 over 2, which is x is equal to 15. So same answer. So it depends on the method that will be simpler for you. Okay, so the other method is I've done method 3, cross multiply. Find the inverse and multiply both sides. So here we have 2x over 3 is equal to 10. Okay, is equal to 10. Let me write it from here. We have 2x over 3 is equal to 10. So what's the inverse? Here we have 2 over 3. 2 over 3. What's the inverse of 2 over 3? So this will go up as the numerator. This will become the denominator. So it will be 3 over 2. So I'll use this one, the inverse, to multiply both sides. So this is 3 over 2 times 2 over 3x is equal to 10 times 3 over 2. So here 2 there, 1, 3 there, 1, 3 there, 1. 1 times 1, that is x, is equal to 10 times 3 over 2, which is over 1. So x is equal to, this time this, that is 30 over 2. So x is equal to 15. So this is it. These are the three methods that you can use. Method 1 is the one that I showed you. Method 2 for cross multiplying. Method 3, that is finding the inverse. So exception to this. When you see like this, first solve for this, remove this, then that's when you can apply the inverse rule or cross multiplication. So don't go straight and start cross multiplying. Here there is addition, remove this, then at this stage 5x over 8 is equal to 10. That's where you can cross multiply or find the inverse. Thank you so much for your attention. If you have questions, please make sure that you ask so that I can assist you where you are not clear. But you watch the video several times. Key is to solve. Thank you.